Hi folks, John here at Benson Alfa Romeo down in South Carolina. There's my card and contact information if you need to reach me. Well, I'm just doing a little check-in here, spot checking of brand new cars, and here is a 2023 Giulia battery. Take a look at that battery post right there. You can see evidence of discoloration at the top of the battery right there, and then also take a look at the actual clamp assembly. One thing of note, if you take a look at the nut that holds this on, this is a cad plated nut. It's supposed to be shiny. This is like a chrome plated, zinc plated nut, and it is very dull, as you can see. And so you know, this is basically a no mileage car. It's got probably 20 miles on it. 2023 Giulia TI. You know, I just want to remind you once again, I'm not blowing smoke here. You guys that have Alfas, you need to check these out. Make sure that, you know, these posts are clean. And so let's take a look over here on this side, on the negative side. You can see, again, evidence of ambient corrosion there from transportation and shipping. These are unprotected posts. So you got a lead post, you got an aluminum band clamp, and you also have a cad plated bolt holding it together. So the electrolysis that happens is what happens. You know, it's pretty academic. You can see the vent door right there. That is how the air comes through. Whenever you slam the trunk, you can see this got a little membrane here that allows you to you know, alleviate the pressure when you slam the trunk or a door. There's two of those. There's one below it. It's the exact same thing. Not sure if you can see it down there. There you go. So anyway, you know, a lot of times when there's battery complaints or non-starting issues that we have on these Alfa cars, it's important, if you do this protocol first, clean these things off. You'll save yourself a lot of time and aggravation. And all you need to really do it is a 10mm socket. You'll need a little battery cleaning tool right here, and then you'll need perhaps a little wire brush like a toothbrush, some battery terminal cleaner, and a Phillips screwdriver bit in order to take it off. You can take a look at this negative right here. This is your intelligent battery sensor. You can see there's not a lot of corrosion inside this capture right here, but take a look at the nut. You can see it's corroded, and let's flip it over to the other side. Not too much issue here, but as you can see, look at that right there. You can see a little bit of patina right there where the clamping pieces come together, and then right here on this surface you can see it. So these can cause you real problems. I just want to remind you, you know, if you've got a new Alfa, an old Alfa, I don't care what Alfa you got, if it's a North American car, you're going to need to pay attention to this issue. Go ahead and remove these two screws right here. Take your negative off first, by the way. Remove these two screws right here. Do your 10mm counterclockwise. Just lift this whole fuse assembly off, clean it, and then put it all back down, putting your negative on last. So once again, there's more on my video channel about this, but there's my card and contact information, and I appreciate you watching the video. Have a great year, 2023. It's going to be great, and I hope you're enjoying your Alfa. Take care. Ciao.